Well, hello there, guys. It's Iron Kid, and today we are gonna make a text to speech application. Let's set its name to louder. Okay, that's okay. Let's create it. Okay, there we go. Now we first need to add a reference to the speech synthesis API. Let's add reference to it. System.speech. Okay. Now it's referenced. Let's use it in our main file, main form.sysap or whatever you want to call CS. We have reference that that's in the design view. You have to make this a rectangle type of window. Now then add a rich text box for the text prompt. Okay, that's good. Now after that add a button to play our text to speech. I mean start whatever you want to say. When we are on double click, we are going to double click on it, create its function. For now, okay, let's change this text to speak. That's good. That's good, really good. Okay, now let's go to the main file. Now the first thing we need to do is create a space synthesizer. Let's create a string sayer for now. Now then, so it's created. Okay, now we also need to reference this system.space also. That's good. Now let's create a space synthesizer. Let's call it speaker, maybe. Okay, speaker, that's good. Okay, now when we go here, now let's go to our main form load. We are going to say speaker equals to new space synthesizer. This will create an instance of a space synthesizer. Okay, that's good. Now we need to add two more buttons. One will be pause and second will be the resume button to pause and resume the voice. Just create it. Okay, that's good. Now make them align them as if you want as per your requirement. Okay, when we click the speak button, we wanna say we are gonna destroy the speaker, or you can call it disposal. Okay, if the text box is empty, is not empty, then only we are gonna execute the speak, then only we are gonna speak. Okay, now in this you have to create speaker equals to, we are gonna create a new instance of the speak synthesizer. Now we are gonna say speaker, when we have to call the speaker sync to speak the words. So we are gonna pass the text box text. Okay, now let's run it. First we are gonna change the pause name to P and resume name to R for our reference. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's really good. Now we are gonna say r dot enabled equals to false. Pause date. Okay, now that's good. Then we are gonna say p dot enabled equals to true, because we are saying that time only we can pause it. Okay, that's good. Now we are gonna copy that and paste it in our main form. When the main form is loaded, we are gonna say r means resume enabled equals pause. Only speak option will be the speak button should be enabled when we start it. Okay, now that's good. Only the speak button should be enabled when we load the window. Now let's go to the pause button, click event. Now let's see if the okay, if we are speaking, to check that we have to use the speak state. First we have to check if our speaker is not equal to null. If it's not equal to null, then only we are gonna pause it. Okay. We also have to check if it's speaking or not. If speaker got, for that we need to use the state state object, I mean the state property of it, and compare it with the system. Since as a state is speaking one, now when it's speaking we need to pause its speaker. We are gonna call the pause event, or we can say the function from speaker, and we are gonna say resume to be enabled, and button means speak button should be disabled. Okay, that's good. And in also the resume button we are gonna paste the same, just we are gonna change the state to paused, and we are gonna say speaker the resume to resume it. Now we are gonna say resume should be resume not should not be enabled, and speak should be enabled. And in the pause click we are gonna say r should be resume should be enabled, and pause should be also. Wait a second. Okay, that's good.
FG
Okay, we are speaking it. I think something's wrong in here.
GH
Now that's good. Okay. Now let's add a controller for the volume. For that we are gonna use a track bar. We are gonna align it to. Okay, let's extend it for our requirement. Okay, this much would be perfect. That's good. Align it. Now let's change these few properties. Let's set dim. Okay, first we need to check. Okay, it's working. That's good. Now let's test it. We are going to double click. We have double click to obtain its event. Now we are gonna console.write line. Let's print its value. Track bar dot value to get its value. Okay. Wait a second. We can't use the console.write line now
GH
because it's not a console application. So we need to find another way
P
for it.
Poda. Hello world.
Okay, it's working fine. Now let's change it. Maximum value 200 and minimum should be 1. Okay, that's good. Now it's working fine. We are getting values up to 100. Okay, we are gonna create a variable for our volume. It will be an int volume. We are gonna store the value of it, and speaker dot volume equals to volume. That will be our main thing. But now it's not working. Let's see the speaker dot volume by a message box. Let's test it. Speak. We are
HHH
getting values. It's 20. It's
HHH
720. 54.
HHH
That's good. That's good. Now 100. But
HHH
still it's not working fine. Okay, I think the problem is we have disposed the speaker before changing its volume. Okay, we are just need to cut that and paste it after creating the new speed synthesizer. Okay, that would solve the problem. Now let's test it. GH. Okay, now that is working totally fine.
GH
That's good.
GH
The volume is working
GH
properly. Now let's change the font and colors for it. We are gonna change the colors, borders and everything else to make it more attractive. Okay, now it looks very good. Let's test it. Here again, let's say hello world this time. Okay, let's say something else.
Hello, this is Iron Kid.
Let's change the volume.
Hello, this
100.
is Iron Kid.
Okay, that would be good.
Hello, this is Iron Kid and you are
Okay, let's hide this. Let's delete this message box and let's try it again. That's totally fine. I wanna change its color to light blue. Let's add a label for the volume. Okay, now it's all right. Let's test it. Hello world.
Hello, it's Iron. Hello, it's Iron Kid's channel and you are watching his tutorial. Hello, it's Iron Kid's channel. Hello, it's Iron Kid's channel and you are watching his tutorial.
Okay, so we have finished it. Just we need to add the icon for it, which I have added. So that's it for today, guys. So I have given the link of the exe file of this project in the description. If you want the source code, please comment down below. So subscribe and like for more, guys. In next video we'll make an audio player in Python.